I'll make a motion to approve the demolition of item 5B 14750 Hopewell Road.
I'll second.
We have a motion for approval and a second. All those in favor?
Aye.
It's unanimous. Good luck. Thank you, sir.
Okay, 14750 Hopewell Road. We have the applicant here and I believe the contractor. The request is to demolish an existing house and the related structures to build a new home on the property. It's zoned AG1. It's approximately 2.93 acres, zoned residential. So here's the aerial view on Hopewell, just a little north of Francis. The demolition site plan. And here's a close-up of the site plan. I've circled the structures to be demolished in red. And here's some structural photos or photos of the main house. So just a little background. The house is approximately 1,170 square feet. It's a wood frame ranch style home built in 1950. There's also a 360 square foot shed and an 800 square foot barn. They were both also built in 1950. The home and the associated structures do not carry any historic designation under City of Milton or state federal guidelines. Here's the carport. This is the back of the home. Here is a picture of one of the sheds. The barn. So staff does recommend approval of the demolition for the site plan, just with the conditions to complete the demo permit application and not to remove any trees without a permit.